Hi, Adorners. So it's an easy caramelized brown bread and banana casserole for breakfast. If you're interested, keep watching, and welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. All right, Adorners. So today I have some eggs, some Cheesecake Factory brown bread that I actually got on clearance, which makes it perfect for a casserole. The recipe for this is on my blog. And it's a free downloadable packet for back to school. So anyway, so I'm going to whisk up some eggs. The recipe calls for 4 eggs and a loaf of brown bread. Of course, you could use whatever bread you have, but this is for those Cheesecake Factory bread lovers, okay? So anyway, let's get started. Okay, Adorner, so I am going to whisk my eggs together. You could add vanilla to this if you like, brown sugar, cinnamon as well. And we're gonna dice up our brown bread. We're gonna dice up our brown bread. And I've pre-buttered a square baking dish or baking pan. I'm gonna add my sliced or diced bread. I'm gonna add my diced bread to the pan, add our bananas, pour over our egg mixture with our bananas and cinnamon, nutmeg if you like, vanilla, and then we're gonna do another layer with some more bananas, and we're gonna bake it off. All right, so welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Okay, Adorner, so we can whisk off our eggs. So we're gonna add in, the recipe actually calls for 4 eggs, 4 large eggs, okay? Or if you have medium, whatever you can afford or whatever you have, no shade, okay? All right. Okay, so we call 4 large eggs. My pan is not as large for this, but let's dice up our bread and I'll be back. Okay, so let's dice up our bread. So you know, I just competed on the LA Try Guy. If you haven't watched that video, I also had an issue with my pie crust on there, so I recreated it. I created something I think is really wonderful. It's a butter pecan shortbread crust. I absolutely love it. I have that video. If you haven't seen that, please watch it as well. All right. They love the filling, but not so much the crust. And you know, it's honestly something I needed to work on. So anyway, all right, so I'm dicing up our bread, our brown bread. This is our Cheesecake Factory brown bread. I got this at my local Smart and Final on the clearance rack, which made it perfect for a breakfast casserole. Of course, you can use whatever bread you like for this, but this is what I'm using today. All right, so we're gonna dice that up for our pan. Make sure it's cut all the way through. All right, and I'll be back. All right, Adorner, so as you can see, I've cut up our brown bread, and I have a bowl that I'm gonna whisk up some eggs really quickly. All right, Adorner, so it's time to go ahead and add in, I've already buttered this dish, it's pre-buttered, and we're gonna go ahead and add in our bread squares, diced up brown bread. Okay. All right, and coat the bottom of our pan nicely. And I've whisked up some eggs with some vanilla, cinnamon, a little nutmeg, and oh, that's our casserole. Let me take it out. Okay, Adorner, so it's time to add in some bananas. We're gonna just tuck this in. As you can see, we have our crust, well, our bread. And we're gonna just tuck in bananas where we have little empty spaces. All right, let me show you that. All over. Then we're gonna add the rest of our bread. All right, we wanna make sure we have a little bit of banana all over the pan. All right. Okay, let me show you. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add in the rest of my bread on top of that. Okay. If you have any larger pieces that you did cut and you feel like you just wanna break those, that's fine too. All right, let me go ahead and add in the rest of our banana. All right, so we have our egg mixture already prepared, you can see. So let's go ahead and pour over our vanilla, our cinnamon, our eggs, a little bit of milk. You can add salt to this if you like. Salt. So we added our egg mixture. And into the oven this is going to go. Now what you do want to see if you can compress this or press this down. We want to make sure our bread, you know, you could, if you have time, you could soak your bread ahead of time, or you could leave this casserole to soak overnight. All right, but this is just quick. It smells so good. All right, so this is something wonderful for breakfast that you can make or send with your family, your kids, or for yourself, okay? Anyway, okay, Adorner, so you can see our mixture is gonna go into the oven. It's gonna go into the oven for 20 minutes on 350, okay? And while that's cooking up, we're gonna try out our breakfast sandwich casserole. I'll be back. All right, Adorner, so I'm gonna melt down a 1/3 cup of butter and a 1/3 cup of brown sugar. For a glaze, you don't have to do this if you don't have the time. I might add in a little cinnamon and vanilla to this as well. I'll be back. All right, Adorner, so I'm whisking up our brown sugar and butter. I added a little vanilla and cinnamon to this. It's almost like a caramelized mixture. We're gonna add this to the top of our breakfast casserole, brown bread casserole, and I'll be back. Okay, Adorners, because I want this kind of a little thinner, I'm gonna add some oat milk to this. You can add milk to this if you like. Okay, Adorners, so I've added in some oat milk to this, and I'm gonna mix it all up and let it caramelize down while our casserole is finishing. And I'll be back. Okay, Adorners, our casserole is out of the oven. Now this would be perfect with some maple syrup or your favorite syrup and butter. All right, Adorners, so I've gone ahead and I created our caramelized brown bread and banana breakfast casseroles. You can see, came out so beautifully. And I actually made a glaze to put on top of this, but of course you could just use your regular syrup. This is something you can bake ahead. It's almost like a bread pudding. I added some vanilla and some cinnamon to the glaze. All right, let's try it really quickly. I'm gonna try it. So lovely. You can bake this ahead and warm it up. It's almost like a bread pudding. All right, here we go. That is so good. Coffee, if you bought me a coffee, thank you so much. And you can show support, buy supplies, help me out here. If you like, the link is in the description. The recipe for this and the companion breakfast sandwich casserole or on my blog, all right, for free for download. Subscribe as well for updates or notifications whenever I post a new blog. As always, thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne. I am your girlfriend, your auntie of lifestyle and decor. And as always, instead of saying goodbye, I say saving hello for another time. Please be sure to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy back to school to you and yours, and happy almost fall. End of summer. Enjoy your last days if you can. See you in the next video.